Hello and welcome to our channel, and this is 5 things I love about my E34. Before then, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a future video, because I upload E34 content weekly. The first thing I like about my BMW E34 is she locks herself in case you forget. The second thing I love about my E34 is the self-closure. The third thing I love about my E34 is that bum. We have an M-Tech bumper, and M-Tech spoiler, and M-Tech number plate infill. The fourth thing I like about my E34 is she gives good review. If you're not sure what giving good review is, it means when you're in your car and you look in the mirror and there's a nice car behind you and it gives you a good review look. That's what giving good review means. The fifth thing I like about my E34 is the sound it makes. And that's 5 things I love about my BMW E34. Remember, I upload E34 content weekly, so be sure to subscribe so you never miss one of my future videos. Until next time, bye bye.